Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Tecno Pova 6 Pro and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now all we have to do is to enter the settings in this upper panel, so let's tap. Now let's tap on languages, and this is the list of all applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So you can simply scroll and search for them, or use this section to enter the name of the language and tap on it. Now we have to choose the keyboard type, and all you have to do is to make sure that the one you'd like to use is marked, like here, and tap on done. And as you can see, the language has been immediately applied to this list. And before I'll show you how to remove the previous one, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So the most important thing is the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So currently we've got the English layout, and after tapping on it, we've got the Urdu one. So this is how it works. So what is more, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So now let me show you how to remove the language. Let's enter the settings, tap on the languages, and here tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Mark the language you want to remove and trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.